Okay, painted it. 3 coats of primer, now 1 coat top layer. Also some other parts there. Other parts here for the spindle motor. At least I have used this for primer with zinc, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, and 7031 RAL Blau, supposed to be the Schaublin original color. Okay, maybe want to have a look inside here as well. So let's see inside also. The cavity where the coolant pump is supposed to be, and around in here you see the ROS, and then the connection for the coolant pump down there. And up here the connection rod for the, this is where the handle that you feed the head in and out goes, and the connection to the motor where this hangs. And then where the switch, the fuse panel is. And then of course where the motor is supposed to be here and then come out the speed change. Then here is for the head in and out. As I absolutely detest painting over like areas here I could get into, perhaps here, but down here and especially up here is into the cavity here is very hard to get really into. So instead of painting everywhere, I think I'll just coat it with some thicker oil, so at least it's protected. I don't think it's a good idea just to put a layer of paint on top of all this if I'm not able to really get everything degreased. Then I guess I would have to dip the whole thing into the sink with well, I don't do that.